Good afternoon, mates. My mate said he'd want to Crystal take a break. Welcome to my show. Hey, I'll tell you about that one time I was almost So, the guy tried to buy me hat, and then, I fled out of there to be safe. So, while you're here, you might want to check out my game, Chewy's Hunt. The person with the score and the highest amount of tickets will get a free Chewy plush with an Eddie mug. May the best win, mates. I'll be back soon. Chewy out.
Yup, this is the one. He's been deactivating, having issues during show times. I think it's time that we put Chewy out of commission. I'm gonna try and work kind of in the parking service every night after 12, hopefully. Man, these robots have been working down since 75. I don't know what's going on. There's nothing wrong. It's just taking way too long. Our previous guardians, so they've been moving and shit.